Hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. It's freezing outside. That's why I'm dressed like that today. So, what we're going to say today to you is that whenever we're doing research, we should keep in mind that we have two types of research. The first one is the quantitative research, and the second one is the qualitative research. And a lot of people would usually confuse both of them because, again, we can use both of them in the same paper, or if you're doing your dissertation or thesis or something, you can use both of them if you are adopting a mixed style, a mixed methodology thing. So basically, just easy way to differentiate between qualitative and quantitative research is to think of the qualitative research as being a descriptively analytically based. So while the quantitative one is basically related to measuring the outcomes. Let's say, for example, you're watching a football game. So if you're saying Liverpool versus Everton, it's 1-1. In this case, you are reporting your results quantitatively. But while you're saying the game was so exciting and I really enjoyed it, while those player of Liverpool team played very well against those of Everton, who led a very defensive game, for example. The other way is purely qualitatively based. So, to make it easier, when you're doing quantitative, you're using measurements. You are quite interested in knowing what are the outcomes of the phenomena you are examining. While when it comes to the qualitative one, it's basically related to describing what happened, what was the process, who involved in it, who played so well. So, for example, who was the man of the match, all of this. So, the setting, the context, the participants, all of these are very essential when it comes to doing a qualitative research. Another way of differentiated between qualitative and quantitative research is that the approaches and techniques in both of them are quite different. So, for example, when it comes to qualitative research, we have five main approaches in applied linguistics. Like, for example, doing some observation or doing some questionnaire or interviews or some kind of ethnography or some kind of discourse analysis. When it comes to the quantitative, you are interested more, as we said, in measurements. That's why you need to know the standard deviation, the means of the two variable you're using. Also, you need to design your research question, the hypothesis. You need to come up with a null hypothesis and also an alternative hypothesis. You should keep all of this in mind when you're leading a quantitative study. Also, a third difference between them is related to the techniques in both of them. And this will be the topic of another video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find it somehow informative. And if you have any question, just leave it there in the comment section. Thank you.